Bonjour, everyone. Welcome to our French lesson. Today, we're going to discuss a fundamental part of the French language, articles. Now, the French language has more articles than English, and they're extremely important. So, let's dive into it. First, let's talk about the indefinite articles, which are un and des. These are similar to a, an, and some in English. Is used before masculine singular nouns, un is used before feminine singular nouns, and des is used before plural nouns, regardless of gender.
Un. Une. Des. Un avion. Une clé. Des valises.
Now, let's move on to the definite articles, which are le, la, and les. These are equivalent to the. In English, le is used before masculine singular nouns, la is used before feminine singular nouns, and les is used before plural nouns, regardless of their gender. Please note that if the noun starts with a vowel, the article will be contracted, whether it's masculine or feminine. Let's see how now.
Le. La. Les. L'avion. La clé. Les valises.
Remember, in French, every noun has a gender and number, and the articles must match these. This might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you will remember it. So, there you have it. The basics of French articles. Remember, un, and des are indefinite, while le, la, and les are definite. Practice using these in sentences and you'll be on your way to mastering French articles. Au revoir.